welcome to Down About Thailand. I'm on tour again in Koh Chang, and I'm on the east side of the island. So it's when you come at the ferry, turn left, not right. Now traditionally if you're a tourist, you'll always turn right. It's where all the main resorts are and popular beach locations. But there's a growing popularity to the quieter, more rural east side. In fact, it's where most of the locals choose to live. Now we're going to drive right to the end and go to the region of Salapet. I think there's some mangroves we can walk through, and a very popular seafood restaurant right at the end. Can't wait. Whereas West Koh Chang is your traditional beach holiday, you can picture it. Day on the beach, perhaps too red from the sun, swim in the sea, drink a coconut, go back to your room, shower, nice evening meal, and repeat. East Koh Chang is something different. It hasn't quite got the sandy coastline, but it's got stunning nature. You're in amongst it all. I even saw an eagle earlier. This side of the island is where you come with a good book. It's a place where you would feel comfortable on your own. A retreat, do some yoga, get in touch with yourself, and just enjoy beautiful scenery. Wonderful temple in Salapet, near the end of east side of Koh Chang. We've seen quite a few mangroves now in our time in Thailand. One on an island, Koh Chang, just off Samui, Hua Hin, and now in Koh Chang. It's really hot. I'm enjoying getting some of this shade from these trees. Amazing what you find when you go exploring. Wonderful little trek this, through the mangroves. In all the years I've been coming to Koh Chang, I never knew this side to it existed. Ah, at last, a cool breeze as the mangrove edge reaches the ocean. That's some 420 rai, and it was baking, so it's some relief to get here and feel this cool breeze. I can see the Fishermans Village over there. I think that's where we're off to next. Now, I wasn't expecting to walk out on these mangroves, but I must say these branches are especially tough, fortunately. But my youngest managed to drop my camera case, so I've had to climb out to rescue it.
Люди живут. Пошлите.
And we've made it to the Fisherman's Village, and we're coming out to the viewpoint. But just look how beautiful this is. Walking on the rickety old wooden boards to see what emerges at the end. But I'm really enjoying this. Hey, Mum, is that you have cola? Is it your birthday?
Yes.
It's been quite some drive, but we've now reached the very end of the island in Salapet, and we're here to check out the much talked about seafood restaurant here. And I can just see from the views ahead, stunning. And this is what waits you when you walk through to the restaurant. Can you see the jellyfish? It really is exhausting. We've been out for a couple of hours and the heat is really strong at the moment. So we went to see the famous seafood restaurant at the very end of Salapet, which is the furthest point you can go on the island this side. And now heading back, we're gonna pop off via Long Beach. You see the monkeys? Quite some scent here. We've been driving off the beaten path for some 5-10 minutes and look what's just opened up. It's just a pleasure for your eyes. So we took the 10-minute drive, possibly even 15, on a single lane through the forests to get to Long Beach, and my wife said no, carry on driving. We're on a rocky path now, but she's promised me, because she's been here already, that at the end there's something quite special. And it narrows really quite a lot here. Look, just take a look at how bumpy that dirt track was getting in, and I'll swing round and show you what we can see. I mean, it's certainly beautiful. It's like arriving at a scene from the beach movie, this. I had no idea you could still find huts like this right on the beachfront, but look at it, fantastic. I wasn't expecting this from Long Beach. It really is like I've sort of gone into the beach movie and discovered something that not many people have found before. It's really off the beaten path, even in East Koh Chang, which in itself is somewhat of a secret. I'm feeling privileged. You know, some of these huts I didn't realise still existed, and this beach is probably the only sandy beach you'll find in East Koh Chang. I think it's the perfect time actually to wrap up my vlog. I've had a fantastic time with my family discovering this side of the island. Never knew it existed, and I've been coming to this island for over 10 years, and I'm sure glad I did. I'll certainly be back. See you next time. final words before I go into the sea. I've just set foot in it and it's like a bath. It's absolutely hot. And I'm going to go and join the family now.